Hello and welcome. Today I am actually working on two 12 by 16 canvases today because I am doing a commission for my friend. She bought a beautiful home and she asked me to do a commission painting for her. So here I am working on that commission now. The colors that I am using are specially requested by my friend. She wants just a dark blue base with gold on top. And I was a little worried because I do know blue and gold makes green a little bit sometimes, depending on what shades of blue and gold that you use. So I did work on one painting already and it turned out beautifully. So I'm just going to do two more for her now, and I will let her pick the two that she likes best. I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'll let you enjoy these acrylic paintings and talk to you again during the wet result. Here is the dried results of yesterday's painting. The other one isn't quite as dry, but this one dried beautifully. I love just the Prussian blue and 24 karat gold. I mean, it looks gorgeous and you really can't go wrong with gold anyway, but it's beautiful. Okay, let me show you the other one. Here is the second one that I did. This is the one where I was running out of paint, but I made it work. It's still a little damp here in the middle, but I love the cells. I love the colors, just 2 colors. And I'm going to do more of these, like maybe black and silver, black and gold, white and silver. This was really fun. So I'm gonna see which 2 she likes, and I have the third one behind me. I also wanted to mention, when I am doing commissions, I always give the client another option, because fluid art, as you know, it is hard to recreate. So if they just want 1 painting, or if they want 2, I just like to throw in an additional one so that they can choose which one they like best. So just a little tip, if you are ever doing commissions, don't feel like you're just stuck with doing just one and they have to pick it. You don't want them to feel like that. So just a little tip, but once I varnish this, then I will be hand delivering them to her. But thank you for watching.